Today, I am going to talk about the many benefits of using a head wrap. BKS Iyengar, yoga master, he's the one that developed a head wrap, and you can order these from iNow store, the Iyengar Yoga National Association store. The ace bandages that you see in the store aren't really very suitable because they're too sticky. And so it would be best if you ordered it from the Iyengar National Association or a local Iyengar yoga studio. The history of the IWrap started when Mr. Iyengar attended Krishnamacharya's lectures, and he lectured almost every lecture he noticed. He talked about this passive alertness, and Mr. Iyengar noticed that when he did the Sunmukhi Mudra, he got that passive alertness that Krishnamacharya always was speaking about. And that is where you use your fingers over your eyes and your ears, here on your nose and your mouth. And when Mr. Iyengar did that mudra, he did feel that passive alertness that changes the consciousness. But he couldn't do it very long with the arms holding up. So he started thinking about wrapping his head. And at first he used handkerchiefs, and they were too small. Then he went to men's neckties, and that seemed to work. And he went to Krishnamacharya and did it to Krishnamacharya, and Krishnamacharya agreed that it did bring that passive alert state. Eventually they morphed into using eye bandages. So they're great to calm the nervous system. If you're feeling anxious, they're wonderful for headaches and different eye conditions. So to start, you would take the bandage and you bring it back into the back of your head, and you start to roll it around. Now, just like the mudra, that the eyes are covered, you want to cover the eyes here, and when you come around, it kind of goes to the occiput and along the neck. Then once you have it there, it's a little bit easier. The ears are covered, and you bring it around, and most of the nose is covered here. It's tight, but not like you have a cap on. You don't want to make it too tight, the wrap. And you keep wrapping it around, and to go over the forehead, because the forehead can be a place of tension. It's also where there is chakras there, and it calms that chakra, balances that chakra. And you keep wrapping it around the head, and so it kind of like hugs the head. And you just keep wrapping it until wherever it ends, you tuck it in. Just like that. Now, and it should cover the nose a bit, so that you have that where I looked at where your fingers are here, so it does cover the nose just like that. When you take it off, is to take it off slowly, especially if you've had it on for an extended period of time. And so when you take it off, to keep your eyes closed, so that the light doesn't jar your nervous system as you take it off, and you slowly unroll it. So not to pull it off your head, but do it slowly, and just retrace the steps that you created, going around. You could also do your whole practice like this, but you would just not have your eyes covered. It's just to keep it around your forehead, especially if you have a headache, that you could do that. You could use the wrap during your pranayama practice. You can even figure out a way how to use the wrap when you're sleeping, and you'll find that you'll have a very, very deep sleep. You can also just put this on when you're doing your shavasana, deep relaxation. I would experiment with it. If you suffer from depression or have a lot of kapha, it would not be the best thing for you. It's too inward. And you might find that it might increase your depression. And so then once it's off, and then you can slowly open the eyes, and you'll feel, even for that few moments, I feel more quiet doing this. So get yourself a wrap, especially in times like this. You'll find that it's a real antidote. Namaste.